Hello and welcome to another COVID travel test unboxing. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look inside one of Kurix's COVID travel tests. This particular test is a Fit to Fly travel test. So some airlines and destinations will require you to have a Fit to Fly or Fit to Travel certificate, which you'll get after you complete this test. The certificate includes your name, date of birth, passport number, proof of your negative COVID result, and the time and date of your COVID test. This test is a PCR test, so while you'll take the test at home, you will need to send the results off to a lab to be analysed. My Kurix kit arrived literally the day after I ordered it and only set me back 49 quid. There's no trying to break the mould here, as the Kurix kit comes in this rather sleek, classic brown envelope. So let's take a look inside. The first thing you'll find inside your package is your return envelope. This one comes already stickered up and ready to go. So I'm just going to pop it to one side while we take a look inside the test kit itself. On the top you have your swab. For this test you will need to swab both your tonsils and your nostrils. The second item is your collection tube. This is what gets sent back to the lab to be analysed. Here is your instruction pamphlet. Kurix is actually operated by Dante Labs, which is why you'll find this to be the same pamphlet in the Dante Labs Fit to Fly test. Make sure you familiarise yourself with these specific instructions, as tests can differ from one another. This is your biohazard bag that you'll put your collection tube in to transport it back to the lab. And finally, this little guy is your absorbent pad, and you'll put this inside the biohazard bag just in case there are any spills or leaks. For more information on all things COVID travel testing, visit finder.com. Click the link here to go through to our full Kurix review, or check out some of the links I've tagged in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. As always, thank you for watching.